How to create poll on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Facebook. To create a poll on Facebook, you'll be able to do in various locations, including your personal profile, a business page, groups, and Messenger. Here's how you can create a poll on Facebook page. First of all, you will need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook business page account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here tap on What's Your Mind section at the top to create a post. And once you reach to this page, you can scroll down to find the poll option. Once you get it, tap on it to open it, and now here you will need to add the poll options. Tap on the first option and type in the options. Again tap on the option number 2 and type another option. You will be able to add up to 7 options here. Also, if you want the people to choose multiple options, then you can tap on the toggle button to enable it at the right side of the option that says allow people to choose multiple options. And if you want to restrict them to choose only one, then you can simply tap on the toggle button and switch this setting off. By doing so, now you can tap on the Done option at the top right, and then you will be returned back to this previous page. Here tap on this Ask a Question section and then type in the question. After that, you can tap on the Post option at the top right to share it or publish your poll. Wait for a few seconds and then there you'll be able to see your poll. Now once the participants select the one of these options, you'll be able to see the number of votes and the insights by simply tapping on this See Insights right here. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a poll on Facebook page. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.